All right, for a problem like 17. All right, so here's the form that the original problem was presented. Okay, so what I would recommend you do is rewrite it in standard form. Now, you don't have to do this in two separate steps. I'm just going to illustrate the steps. So rewrite in standard form first, and then factor out so that your leading term, your leading coefficient is positive. So in this case, we do have to remove a factor of a negative, and it's going to switch the sign of each of these terms. So the negative y squared becomes positive, the negative y becomes positive, and the positive 20 becomes a negative. Now, this negative doesn't disappear. It has to be carried along throughout the rest of the problem, so we leave that out front. And now this becomes a trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1. So our factors begin with the, again, reverse foiling, begin with the two factors of y squared, which are just y and y. And then it ends with the last terms are the two factors of negative 20 whose sum is this middle term's coefficient. So what two factors give you, of negative 20 give you a total sum of plus 1?
5 and negative 4.
Plus 5 and negative 4, and so those would be your factors. But you do need to make sure that you write that negative as a factor. It doesn't just disappear.